So my name is Jamie Davrin and I run a gym with my husband called Era Grapple and CrossFit Tullamore in County Offaly. And I'm not sure actually how I found you guys. I think probably Google actually. And we were looking for a vending machine and you cropped up and yeah, we just went from there. So we have a vending machine. I'm not sure exactly what type it is, to be honest, but it's for drinks and snacks. So we get in drinks like kind of like energy style drinks, hydration drinks, and then obviously protein bars. We run a gym, so we're trying to keep it as healthy as possible. But we do have some like jellies and crisps and stuff like that as well in it. But generally speaking, water and like hydration drinks and energy drinks is what we sell mostly from it. We had a fridge that had been given to us by one of the companies that we deal with. And while it was great at the time to have a fridge, obviously to keep things cold, we were losing money on it all the time. As in, we were buying stock and then somebody would come to the office and ask for a drink and tell you that they pay after class. And then also, just, I suppose, stock going missing out of it as well, and like, we're all culprits of if there's a drink there to just take it. So like, even with our staff, like, we just dip in and out of it ourselves. So we were losing money really on any of the products that we were getting in. So that's why we got the vending machine. It's increased it a small amount, but like very little, being honest. We don't sell a huge amount out of it, and because we are repaying it for a couple of years. I think we've got a year left maybe to repay it, but after that we should definitely see profit from the vending machine. As I said, like, it has increased it a little bit and we're not losing stock anymore, so we're not in a loss. So to me that's a big positive. Well, the fact that you can pay by card is very helpful. Well, we run competitions regularly enough, so that's been very valuable, that there's been a vending machine on site for people to buy drinks, rather than bringing them with them. It's very easy to stock as well, and it's very easy to manage. So like, all in all, it's definitely been a great addition to the gym. Yeah, we can fit loads of products into it. So we've got we can have crisps on the top, we can have bars, jellies, protein bars, and then a different selection of sizes of drinks as well. So like fatter cans, and then skinny ones and bottles. So yeah, it's been great, to fit in different products. Excellent. We deal with Omar and he's absolutely brilliant. I couldn't fault him. He's really helpful and he responds straight away whenever there's an issue, and always has somebody on hand to come out and check if there's something. But generally there hasn't really been anything that's gone wrong. Maybe I think I've had to contact him twice over different things, but very little. It's been very good. I definitely recommend it, highly recommend it. And I'd love to pass on the details to anybody who would be interested. Not at the moment. Everything, we're really happy with everything, and yeah, we find it really good. So I know I've no complaints.